Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of, well, I don't know the specific car this customer has, but I do know that this is the unit that was used, a 65 Mustang, 66 Mustang AM 8-track. Unit has been converted to add FM. And the 8-track's going to sound a little bit brighter because it's got my preamp in it instead of the original factory preamp. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get.
With ZipRecruiter, one click sends your job to
check our speakers.
ZipRecruiter's advanced technology
Balance left.
the candidates with the skills you
Bounce
need.
right.
Sends you a list of great
Left.
matches to review.
Right.
Then actively
Okay,
invite them to
center
apply for your
on.
job. And the results speak for themselves.
Okay, now we're going to go to FM, and on this type of radio, you do that by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run it down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
23 y viernes 24.
As I'm praying things.
See, you're covering your face right
Feel
now.
good?
Months, no interest with Car Care One's.
Country 94.3 and 100 points.
Nothing worse than letting dust.
Courthouse Plaza.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Got a one-way ticket to the blues saying that we never say mix. I said that now only teardrops are all that we can call. I really standing here and
Alrighty, pull the tape out, the radio comes back, so everything is working, she's ready to go back. And I'm going to be doing some shopping today. I'm going to treat myself to a new weed eater so I can cut my doggone yard. This comes from Dale in Owatonna, Minnesota. So Dale will be happy to see that his radio is working again and all that cool stuff. Thanks so much for watching, listening. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about options, prices, and turn times, because that's all listed and explained in the work order. And you're welcome to call me after that. And if you want to just get to know me, get to trust me, stuff like that, that's perfectly okay. But I really would rather not answer the same questions over and over and over from each new customer, which takes about 15 minutes, cuts into my time on the bench where the work actually gets done. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Dale, for your business all the way from Minnesota, and we'll see you guys next time.